Windows can't find the msxml3.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Before we dive into the msxml3 manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the msxml3, the Microsoft XML Core Services Library version 3.0. It manages the localized parsing of XML-based configuration files and web response data. It is a critical dependency for thousands of legacy Windows applications. If missing or corrupted, older business software and installers will fail to launch, reporting OX800 forwards over 15514, class not registered. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like msxml3.dll. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with msxml3. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for msxml3.dll, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for msxml3. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped msxml3 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.